Hello, everyone, and we are live with Samira. Welcome to my business page. Hope you all are doing well. And today we are on the 16th of January. It's almost the mid of January. It's 5 p.m. in Dubai. And this will be our second go live with business owners around the world. Today we have a very special guest. Her name is Sinju Cherian, who has come all the way from Muscat. She works in the IT industry and she has a young baby whom she takes care of while running her own digital business. So let's not wait further. Welcome, Sinju Cherian.
Hi, Samira. Thank you so much for inviting me on your page. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Wow, Sinju, hear that you are in the IT industry. So before we begin, tell me something about your background, about your interests and hobbies. Please share with us.
Yeah. As said, my name is Sanju. I'm basically from Kerala, India, but I'm residing here in Muscat for the past 5 years with my husband and my little one. Yes, I work in the IT industry. I work for a software company in Muscat, and I'm running this digital business. And we have around 70,000 people in the community, and that's how me and Samira got to know each other. Regarding my hobbies, I love singing and dancing, and I just want to say that I take time to follow my passion, but I still run my business as well. So yeah, that's all about it. And Samira, I think you like traveling, is it?
Yes, I do like traveling. Also, other than that, I like reading and drawing, spending time with my kids.
Right.
Whenever I get time to travel, of course, I do that along with the family. Alone, it's not fun. But most of the times,
Right.
I also do some reading because I'm in the education industry. So, of
Right.
course, knowledge is power. Yes.
True, true, true.
So Sinju, about
Yeah.
our digital business, would you like to share your journey so far, like how you're feeling in this business, how long you have been here, and tell us about your success story, your greatest why, how you have started this business?
Yeah, actually, I have started this business almost 9 months before. I even though I belong to the IT industry, I wasn't aware about something called online business and all those things. Uh, 2 years before, I was blessed to have a baby, and after that, I started thinking like what I could do so that I could stay with my baby. I didn't want to leave her to go to office and all those things. So that's when I was really looking into something, but I couldn't find which could suit me. But then again, I got connected to a person who is again back from IT industry, and we interacted, and then that's how when I joined or when I became a digital business owner, I feel grateful for it because now I have a plan B with me, and whenever I want, I can switch my plan A to plan B, and I can work in this business at full time. So I'm really grateful to be a part of this business. This and we have a positive community which definitely supports, which definitely inspires to stay plugged in and to achieve whatever to achieve why we have joined this business is, for me, it's like to have quality time with my family, and definitely to have that financial freedom. So yes, it helps me to achieve those two things, and yes, I'm working towards it, Samira.
Wow, Sinju, what an inspiring story. I can completely resonate with you. As in my case, as you know, I have four kids, and my eldest son,
Okay.
he will be going to university. So, of course, you
Okay.
know, for university, you will understand that education is nowadays very expensive.
Hmm.
Even though I'm working as a
True.
teacher, to set aside for my kids, it's my greatest priority. So,
True.
as during the pandemic, everything was just, boosting towards online digital world. Even our education
Hmm.
system is also online. So it was during
Yes.
that time I
Yeah.
really had to think deeply about keeping something aside for my family so that they could also have that financial freedom later in life. And everything was in a crisis at that time. So I was also looking for a side hustle and I found
Hmm.
this. And now I feel that it is going to leave a legacy for my kids, especially the
Yes.
flexibility. I will say it is one of the best things in this business that is actually striving me towards continuing it. Otherwise,
True.
with 4 kids and a teacher's job, life does not
Yeah.
give so much leisure time.
Yes. Yes.
So I can
Yes.
do this
Yes.
business at any point of time. I can look into it whenever I have free time. This 24 by 7, which we call in this business.
Hmm.
So this is the main thing that actually attracted me towards it. We can do it at our own pace, at our own time, and take it also wherever we want and whenever we want to do
True.
it. One
Yeah,
very
as you know, as a busy working mom, definitely, we will not have definitely so much time to do the business, and definitely that was one thing which I was thinking before becoming a business owner. We have to spend our time with our 9 to 5. We'll have our kids, we'll have our household chores. How will we manage? But as you said, because of the automation, because of the things which is running in the background, the back end system, it gives us the flexibility to work at our own pace and to build our own legacy. And really, I'm really blessed, that I could find this opportunity. Otherwise, I would be still stuck or, in my 9 to 5 without having a plan B. So yeah.
Yeah, yes. Whatever you have told just now, Sinju, it is great. I will also add the amazing community in it. How wonderful that people around the whole globe they are in this business, and we get to meet so many people of different cultures and traditions, and this support system that we have here. Like for example, even recently when I was stuck, I just had to call my mentor and coach to help me out to solve the problem. And immediately, when I went back to the training site where I had to see the recorded video, it was very easy for me. So, this automated system, along with the training site and the support from the mentor and coach, which we get from the beginning itself, that is so amazing here
Hmm.
that we don't have to struggle further. It is just our willingness that helps us to continue here and makes us motivated. What do you say, Sinju, about this?
Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely, absolutely. The training is wonderful. We do not have to, attend live sessions. It's all recorded once. So whenever we are getting our time or whenever we want to check it one more time, if we are stuck, if we have forgotten anything, we can always go back, look into it. It's like, we are having lifetime access for it. So we can look at it whenever we want, go back to it, and definitely our mentor and coach, without them, it would be a little bit difficult, I would say, because, whenever we having any issue, or because for me, it was like all new thing. Even if I'm in the IT sector, business, marketing and all those things, I was not aware about it, how to do. But whenever I had some kind of doubt, either I will refer the training site or, my mentor or coach. It's just, they are just one message away, and, it keeps us connected. We all contribute to each other without having any competition, and it's just amazing to be a part of such, wonderful community, I feel. And
Yeah.
even the masterminds where they share all their tips and tricks. I don't know which business will do like this, sharing their mantras. Who will do it? I
Yeah,
don't think
yeah.
any other business will do it, right? We all have our own success tricks and tips, and we get to know it because of the masterminds. It's completely amazing. I must say that.
Yeah, and also let me just welcome and say thanks. Jonas Zedvi is with us. Hello. Lubna Muhammad is giving us
Hi,
salam.
hi.
Walaikum Assalam. Fatima Ukai is here and Maria Samrin. She's very happy to see us. Thank you for joining us. Liz
Thank you
Florence
so
is
much.
here. Thank you for joining. Then Maria Samrin, she also agrees that our business is truly amazing and it is so supportive and anyone can do this. I totally agree with
True.
what
Yes.
she's saying.
Yes.
Anyone can do this in the sense, okay, you are in the IT department, I am working as a teacher, okay, that's fine. But then again, when we look into our amazing community, there are part-time workers, full-time workers, there are housewives not doing any business, there are people with very less educational background also, who do not have any computer skills, or maybe they are just beginning, they know the English language but they do not have any online kind of information or education. So in this training site, when we see the step by step process and the step by step training recorded videos, it is possible for any person with just a positive mind and a positive attitude just to go and dive into it and learn it. Some people may
True.
learn it very quickly. Some
Yeah.
can take their time and again go for the replay and learn it step by step. But there is no one that who cannot do this. It all depends on
True.
how your mindset it is.
Yes,
So
we
how
all
you
have the
move.
same materials and everything is the same. The only variable in this business would be us. It depends upon how seriously we are taking the business, and from there it's all yours. So yeah, I agree to you, Samira.
Yeah. So in the beginning, when I joined, of course, I was feeling a little skeptical and I thought that maybe I will be left alone because, nowadays there is a lot of scam. We really cannot figure out
True.
what is correct and what is wrong.
Mm,
But then again,
yeah.
when I was seeing the success stories of so many people around us and so many
Mm,
people becoming successful from scratch, so it really made me more and more motivated. No, this is the right step, especially in a world which is now changing towards the global world and online space. So I feel that this is a very proper decision that I have taken. And since this business is going to continue with me, it is going to provide me financial help. Also, it can be a side hustle for the time being. Maybe one day I might quit my
yeah.
teacher's job and it will still be along with me as my plan B. The best time to take action and best time to keep something for ourselves so that we can be proud of later on. I think this is a very good step. What do you say about that, Sinju? Is there anything else we can
Yes,
add?
yeah, people will think like, to have a business, it could be risky, but I would say like, if you're not having anything as a side hustle or a plan B, I think you are in a greater risk because, in the corporate world, I don't say that corporate world is bad, but we are replaceable, we can be replaced. It's not like, you're not replaceable in your corporate world. So it's always good to have something for your family, to have something as a backup, and even you would be, becoming more confident enough. In this pandemic, I was relaxed because I had already set up, at least I had set up something in the, as a side hustle. So even if there could be, the world, the time was changing so quickly, people were getting laid off. So I had that peace of mind and confidence that, okay, I have something which has been set up as a side hustle and I can work on it even if there could be some unexpected situations, right? So it's always good to have a plan B.
Yeah. Yeah, I rightly agree. And also, what I like about this business is that I don't have to bring in my family members or maybe relatives or push them or force them to follow me. No, it's not like that. There is no nagging of the friends and families. It is you and your business. You do it in your flexible time. And when you don't want to do it, then you don't do it. Of course, it is a kind of motivation to just move on forward. But in days when I really don't have time, I'm busy with my own school life, with my kids, their studies and their exams, especially, then I put it aside. Okay, it's fine. Nobody is going to boss me around. because I am
Yeah.
my own boss here, isn't it? That's the best part in it, that
True.
I do
True.
not have
Yeah.
to, like,
Correct.
yeah, agree to others. It is when I do it, I will do it according to my leisure and time, and when I don't do it, I will not do it. That's also one very nice thing that I really like in this business. And what we have, our automated system, what I have been doing the training over here, it not only helped me just for increasing my knowledge about social media, but also personally also it has made me more positive, or it has
Hmm.
made me it has given me strength to apply all those knowledge in my school life also. Like especially in our online classes, we have to create so many different kind of presentations or
Hmm.
projects, so that knowledge is now transferred in many other ways. I'm helping my kids also in one way. And of course, learning something new should be a motive for everybody, so that is also something
Yeah.
very great I like about it. So
Yes, you are
um,
never too old to learn anything new, and it's always good to learn something new. You know, better than we are getting stuck in our monotonous routine. It's always best to learn something new, right?
yes, yes. Over here, we also have Goriti Mamiti who joined us. Hi, thank you
Hello,
for
hello.
watching. So, Sinju, while before we wind up, a few nice words for the viewers and followers, or a quick message if you want to give to who all are watching.
All right. So thank you everyone who is watching us. See, what I would like to tell you is when we are not having a plan B or when we are not having a side hustle, we are keeping ourselves into a higher risk because we do not know what the future is, holding for us. So it's always good to set a plan B. And as we have said in this session, the business gives allows you to have the time and financial freedom. It works when when even if you're busy at your 9 to 5, you're doing your household chores, the system would run in the background, so your normal routine is not affected. I would not say that you do not have to spend time on the business. Yes, definitely you need to spend time on this business. Your dedication, your motivation is would be the driving factor. The training materials, the system, everything remains the same for all the 70,000 members, but the people who are making it to success, it's only because of their dedication and their reason why they have chosen to move into online business. So we have a complimentary workshop which you could watch, which would help you to decide whether this business is really what you are looking for, or if you do not have any idea from where to start with, it's a complimentary workshop which we are providing to everyone who is looking for a side hustle or who is looking to start their own business. And you could get the access to the workshop on my website or Samira's. She will tell her website too. You can get the access, you can watch the workshop how many ever times you want. And then if you are confident, then you can always connect back to me or Samira. And we can tell you further steps towards it. And one thing which I would like to tell you, unlike all the online business, we give you time to decide whether this business is suitable for you or not. It's not like you are going to decide in one single day. We give you time to decide whether this business you want it, you like it, whether it's something which you could do. So there's nothing to worry. You can always check it out. It's a complimentary workshop to start with. So yeah, better to have something for your family as a side hustle, better than not to have anything as a backup. Right. That's what, Samira, a short message.
Yeah, as Sinju Cherry and she already told you about the workshop. So, if you are interested to start any online digital business, we are here to help you. We help everyday people to start their own digital business. Be bright, be bold, be you, be the change. Be the change for yourself, be the change for others. If you don't live your dream, dreams is going to take it from you. So, Sinju, thank you so much for joining, and
Thank you
very
so much
thank
for inviting me, Samira. Thank you.
thank you all the viewers and followers who have been watching us. Do join us later on, and stay blessed. Be safe. Bye.
Bye.